Sometimes we get so much, it's a good practice actually. Sometimes when I meditate, I hear the dogs around, the traffic, and I'm like, it doesn't matter. I'm strong enough to actually calm down my nervous system and not focus about all the noises around. That's a good exercise. So guys, let's put all of us our phones away. And I want all of us to sit like we did before. Before we were releasing the pain, now we're activating the success. I want all of you to sit down and straight back with the legs like this, shoulders up, and put one hand again on your heart and the other on the belly. And let's start taking some deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Just keep breathing deep and focus all your attention on your breath. How it goes in through the nose and how it goes out through the mouth. And just put all your attention on your head, on your forehead. And relax your forehead. Relax your face, your eyes, your nose, your lips, your throat. You're feeling more and more relaxed, more and more connected with yourself. There is nothing that matters right now. You are here and now, just in the present moment, connecting with your heart. Just feel how your heart is beating. Ignore all the sounds around you. Relax all your body. Place your attention on your chest, on your belly. Feel how your belly goes in and out when you breathe. Your hips are relaxed. Your legs, your upper legs, your knees. All your legs are so relaxed, so much at peace. There is nothing to find out right now. You are so much at peace, connected with yourself. Your feet are relaxed. And now place all your attention on your heart. Nothing matters right now. Not even one sound can take away your attention from being connected to yourself. Imagine yourself standing in front of a mirror. And in that mirror, you see your future self. The most successful, powerful, confident version of yourself. How does he or she looks like?